Hey traders, John Howell here. False breakouts, big moves coming. We see long-term trends starting to kick back into place as well too. There's a lot of things that I'm going to cover with you today, guys. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. Before we do start, I have two different things, guys. Firstly, that 30-day risk-free trial I'm giving away to my Inner Circle coaching program is coming down. That first link in the description, guys. Go click on that. You can get the details. You can get the details over there as well too. Plus, also there's a training about my trading system and about the coaching program as well too. And again, it's 30-day risk-free trial. That's also coming down very soon. So go over there right now, and you'll be able to see when that ends and so on and so forth. And also, guys, if you just need some help, if you just need some extra help with your trading, then I'm giving away a free membership access to my breakthrough trading course. That's second link in the description there. If you click on that, you can get you'll get instant access to my membership area to the breakthrough trading course, which walks you through the biggest mistakes you're making right now, some chart reading strategies, my trading system, money management, and so on and so forth from there. Plus also some other bonuses that you can get from there as well too, just to really help you guys out. So there we go, guys. Go get it. So let's actually start off with the good old Dow Jones. And the Dow Jones, I'm noticing there's a few things here happening on the Dow Jones that I want to share with you. The first thing is that we are definitely getting into a result of low, and we have this low point through here, and we have this low point through here as well too. Right, so we have these lows, higher lows, and higher lows happening right now in the actual markets itself right now. So we have a bit of a pullback. We're getting this sort of low point through here. Okay, so we're definitely at that long-term level of support. The big thing I'm watching for right now is this definitely point through here. We can see how we actually had a lot of support. This whole area through here is a lot of support. We've actually broken down. So if we can get a move back up like that, then that's going to be this one's going to be some sort of a false breakout to the downside before we start to see potentially a move back up to the upside. So if we do get something like this, guys, and we do get a bit of a move back up, then the Dow Jones could start to see a really nice move as well coming into all the other markets. Let's look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 is still having a really nice sort of climbing the wall, so to speak. We definitely did have this level here of resistance, and as look what's happening right now. So it's like up, down, up, down. We're definitely getting that level through there, but we're slowly going up. The big area that I'm watching for on the S&P is up through here. We've got that 4,300 level. So there's probably a good chance now the S&P 500 is going to continue to climb this wall to the upside to around that 4,300 level. That's the big key area that I'm watching for right now. And what's going on in the back of my mind, right, traders right now, is that as you can see by looking at these markets and even looking at the Nasdaq, right, Nasdaq is still really, really strong through here. That's a resistance level through there, but it may not stop there, right? Who knows where it's going to stop? But the big thing I really want to sort of bring home to you guys is that, as you can see, right, that so many people have been bearish this entire year, but the market's been going straight up. And so what you think is the reality, what you think, a lot of people have been basing their decisions based off this market crash, right? Everything's bad, everything's going to fall to pieces. People have been short in the markets, right? But the market's been going up. But if we just forget the news and read the charts, we can actually get a good understanding of what's going on there, right? So low, higher low, higher low, and higher low, right? So we get all these different situations that's happening right now within the markets, and the same for the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq has been screaming up, but what has the Nasdaq been doing, right? Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, all up. So if we forget the news and just say, okay, then the market's been making higher lows, so I should just go with that, as you guys have been seeing, then that's it there. Now, I was expecting to see some form of a pullback because we're expecting, say Nvidia. Let's have a look at Nvidia, NVDA. Have a look at Nvidia. Right, I'm expecting Nvidia to actually have a bit of a pullback soon. It's probably going to get that pullback soon. Same with Meta as well too. So we're probably going to get a pullback soon out of Meta, and stuff like that. So I do expect to see some form of a pullback out of stock market, but that's just the pullback, right? And I'm going to add another but there to that sentence, right? The two buts. Do you have two butts? I have two butt cheeks, right? Two butts, right? The but is that when we're in a really good bull market, we never know when that pullback's going to happen and how long it's going to happen. So trying to pick that and trying to go against the market is definitely a very risky thing in the markets when trying to go against that through there. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. Looking at the Russell as well too. The Russell, just a really big sideways movement through here. We are going to get a strong breakout coming soon out of this one here, and we're going to see a really big move. So the one exciting market that I'm really excited about, guys, or there's two exciting markets I'm worried about. The first one, when it comes to indices, is the Russell, because this Russell has done nothing for a long time. We're getting ready for a strong breakout, and with a very strong breakout, we could actually start to see this thing really start to make some headway. Now, we never know where the breakout's going to be, right? But wherever it does break out, and yes, this can actually break to the upside. If it does break to the upside, we're probably likely to see a really big, strong move coming out of the Russell. So definitely want to keep an eye out for that, guys, because because that's what's probably going to come real soon there, right? So let's go have a look at the. Let's go look at just a quick look at the actual mining sector itself, too, guys. So today, we actually had a bit of an update today. We're not out of the woodworks yet, so to speak. Oh, look at all of that, eh? Look at all those beautiful trend lines. So we're not out of the woodworks yet. We really need to get back above this sort of $33 level here for this thing to really continue. The big picture's still up. So we still have this low, this high low here in place. So we still have a big trend in place, but we definitely want to see the GDX start to really get back above this $33 level. Because if we do, then we can start to see a nice move. That could be the start of something really big as well too. Same for the GDX as well too. But one thing I really want to sort of stress with the GDX, or the GDXJ, should I say, is we're definitely squeezing up into this triangle pattern here, and it's going to be a big breakout soon. I believe it's going to be to the upside. Maybe that's my bias speaking, because I am long the GDXJ. So maybe that's I am looking for opportunities for that in the marketplace there. So that's what I'm seeing through there, guys. Now let's go have a look at silver. Let's see what actually happened with silver today. So look what's happened with silver. Silver actually bounced off this long-term trend line through here. So we can see we have this low, we had this resistance through here, the resistance through here, and now it's come back down, and now we're finding support. So all this resisting and now finding support through there. All right, now we're finding a lot of support through here as well too. So there's a really good chance that silver's going to start to pick back up again now, and gold is definitely in this really big long-term sort of upward movement from here. We're getting a nice bounce off this trend line. So if we do continue to see a bit more strength coming in to the gold market, then we could see a bit of a breakout. If we do start to break above this sort of 2100 level or 2100 level on the gold market, then we're probably going to see some really big movement. You can see this last resistance level here is now becoming support, really big, strong support. So there's actually double level of strong support on the gold market, and then away we go from there. So there we go, traders. Hope that helps you out. Traders, once again, if you do need my help, if you do need some help in general, guys, then grab that 30-day risk-free trial to the Inner Circle program. I guarantee you're going to love it. If you don't love it, then just let me know. You'll never be billed. But if you do love it, well, guess what? You'll be happy to pay for it and become a member after your 30-day risk-free trial, right? So go get access to that there right now, guys. That's how confident I am about the stuff that I teach is the best out there on the planet. I'm so confident that this is the best out there, you're going to get that. But also, I'm going to give you 4 bonuses valued over $3,000 as well too. So there we go, guys. Very first link in the description, click on that. Or if you're not really interested in getting access to the coaching program, you just need some free help, guys, then that second link in the description, if you click on that, I'm going to give you free membership access to my breakthrough trading course, which I think goes for about 6 or 7 videos long. It goes through the biggest mistakes you're making right now and how to overcome them, the top chart reading and trading techniques you can use, some good tools to use of knowing when not to be entering the markets, my trading system, and so much more. So have a great day, guys, and I'll see you soon.